Alright, I'll go ahead and run through the scale shapes in the other key, the key of C minor or key of E flat, and then talk about some things we discussed with this. So we got the E flat Ionian. The F Dorian. G Phrygian. A flat Lydian. And then we have B flat Mixolydian. C Aeolian. And you got D Locrian. Same thing, an octave lower. Alright, so metronome practice. Just start at 60 beats per minute. Use triplets to go up your scale and back down, so something like this. Focus on learning one scale at a time. So make sure you memorize that Ionian mode before you move on to try and memorize the Dorian mode. Once you feel you have the Dorian mode down as well, then make sure you can go through Ionian, Dorian first together back to back before you move on to Phrygian. And then the other thing was make sure that you're always using the same fingering for the one of three patterns that happen in these shapes. So one pattern that happens as you go up a whole step, then a half step. So always use your first, third, and fourth. And then the other pattern, it goes up a half step followed by a whole step. Always use your first, second, and fourth for that. And then I always use this fingering for the two whole steps, but you naturally seem to do that. Either way, just make sure you keep using that same group of fingers every single time you do the two whole steps. So this will help develop your muscle memory, make things deep in your subconscious, and make playing fast stuff much easier. So that really covers it. Also, yeah, the other thing was look up backing tracks to practice your improv too. So just make up your own stuff with those scale shapes. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. But I will see you again on Thursday.